Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. This time, we will be setting up a brand new Nintendo Switch for the first time. The tutorial is going to be divided into parts for you to understand everything better, and I'm going to cover all of the basic things you need to know to get into gaming on your Switch. So let's begin with Part 1, the body. Your Nintendo Switch has a sturdy body with a few things to consider. So a new Nintendo Switch will not have the Joy-Cons attached. Without it, you will find a few things to look out for. First, we need to look behind our Switch. There will be a stand for the Nintendo Switch. If you open it up, you will find the micro SD card slot. This is where you insert a micro SD card for your gaming. Now, right below the SD card slot in the bottom right, you will find the charging slot. The slot is Type-C, and you charge your Nintendo Switch with it. And this slot is also used for docking your Switch. I'll get to that later. So if you go on the top of your Nintendo Switch now, you will find the volume keys. Then there's the power key and the headphone jack slot. On the right corner, there's the game slot. If you open it up, you will see the place where your game goes to. I'll insert a game disc now to show it to you. It's pretty easy, but the setup part of the game comes in the later part of the video. For now, let's move on to Part 2, connecting your Joy-Cons. To connect them, make sure to align them properly. Get your right Joy-Con. You will see a sliding area in the top right corner of your Switch. Just slide your right Joy-Con into the slot till it sets up with a lock sound. Then get your left Joy-Con and do the same thing. Slide it down from the top left corner of your Switch until it locks. Now if you want to take them out, on the back of your Nintendo Switch, you'll see a small button in the top of each Joy-Con. Just press on the button and slide your Joy-Cons up. You can do this for both of your Joy-Cons. Remember, if you do not press the button, your Joy-Cons will not come out. You might even damage them if you try to bring them out forcefully, so keep that in mind. So with that, we're done with the controllers. After this, let's talk about the dock. Part 3, connecting your Switch with TV. With your Switch dock, you can connect your device with your monitor or TV. Just get the dock at hand. Behind it, you'll see a lid, so open it. You'll see options to HDMI out, USB and AC adapter. You need to connect your Switch charger on the AC adapter section, then the HDMI out. Connect your monitor HDMI or your TV with HDMI. These two slots need to be connected for the Switch to show up on your TV. Make sure the AC adapter and your TV or monitor is connected to a power source. And connect the HDMI cable properly with your TV or monitor. After this, close the lid of your dock with the cables inside. Now just dock your Switch in the charging dock. To dock properly, align the front part of your Switch with the dock's front part and slide it in until it fits properly. With that, your TV screen will become the screen of your Switch. But for new users, you need to do a few other things first. Part 4. Set up your Switch. So, let's set up your Switch first by holding the power button. Make sure the Joy-Cons are connected to your Switch when you try to turn it on the first time. At this point, you should see the option to select your language. Choose your preferred language with the A button. After that, choose Accept on the agreement and hit Next. The Switch is going to search for a Wi-Fi network now, so make sure to connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your password and connect to it. Let it connect, and after that, select the time zone of your Switch. After this, you will get a prompt to connect with the TV, but we'll skip that for now. I'll cover this in more detail in another video. Just hit Later. Now detach your console as is shown in your Switch screen. Slide them around carefully. Follow the on-screen instructions and use your Joy-Con A button to move forward. On the Add User menu, select Next with your Joy-Cons A button. Select Create a new user if you're using it for the first time. Let's select it. Select your character icon. Enter your nickname. After this, you'll get the option to link your Nintendo Switch account. You will need a Nintendo account if you want to install games from the eShop or access the Nintendo online features. So, let's select it with your Joy-Cons or touchpad. Here you will find a few options, so if you don't have a Nintendo account, select create a new account. But it's a lengthy process, so I've covered that in another video where I'll show you in detail to make a new Nintendo account. For now, we'll just select other sign-in methods. I'm just going to sign in with my email address and the password I used to create my Nintendo account. After that, let's select link to link our account. Once that's done, select skip for the next add user menu. Select skip for parental controls. Now press the home button of your Joy-Con to open your home menu. Your Switch will now restart. Press the A button, then press the same A button 3 times to open your home screen. And that's it, you're all set. From here, you can insert game cartridges, explore the eShop, or adjust settings. And there you go. That's how you can set up your brand new Nintendo Switch for the first time. If this helps you out, then make sure to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button for more beginner-friendly tech guides like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.